Ladies and gentlemen, today is the giveaway of this brand new Ulanzi light that I promised I would be giving away. And I also said that I was going to be providing you guys with the ball heads. And I'm going to go ahead and throw in the quick release plate as well, spending major dollars on the community. Thank you guys for being part of my journey. A lot of you guys started with me way back 2022. February, when I was waiting for my 360 booth to arrive. And here we are today, 2023, October 11th. I'm gonna be announcing a total of 3 winners, all right? We're gonna grab a winner from TikTok. We're gonna grab a winner from the Facebook group. That's Booth Global Family, 360 Booth Global Family, all right? And we're also gonna be grabbing a winner from the YouTube page. Now, it was really simple for you guys to win. All you guys had to do was comment light show, and then on my second video, all you guys had to do was share your Instagram handle so that I can reach out to you. You can share your address with me, and then I can go on Amazon and ship these items to you as the lucky winner. So let's go ahead, guys, and select our winners. Now, if you guys won, man, it's an amazing, beautiful thing, because sometimes in life you feel like, man, I never win anything. But every day you wake up in the morning, we are winning. It's another day that we get to fight. We get to overcome obstacles. It's basically another day to work on our dream. And if you guys right now are at a point in your life where you're going through some difficulties, whether it's finances, whether someone in your family is ill, whether it's relationship issues or drama at work, just know this, my friend, that the universe allows you to experience random events that are only going to help you become a better person if you start framing things in a positive light. So always think about how this situation that you're going through that seems like an inconvenience can really be a pivotal point for you to say, maybe it's time for me to change. All right, so without further ado, this is what I'm going to do, guys. Since it is October 11th, we're going to go from the very top and we're going to count 11 down, and whoever lands on the 11th number, that's going to be our winners. Now, for the winners, guys, really quick, I just want to say that if you guys win and I announce you and I contact you on Instagram, you guys have 24 hours to reply. If you guys don't reply within 24 hours, we're going to go ahead and run this again until we get a total of 3 winners, 1 per platform. Let's go ahead and jump into this right now. So right now, guys, I am on the TikTok page. And like I said, we're going to count down. Since it's October 11th, we're going to count down 11 points down, okay? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, let me do this. Can I move this right over here? Yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So Lush Land, it's Lush and Lavish Events did not include her or his Instagram handle. So we're gonna go on to the next one right in here. Better yet, let's be kind, okay? Lush and Lavish Events, please go ahead and go onto the TikTok page as soon as you see this, and please include your Instagram handle. Okay, I'm gonna give you that opportunity. I think it's fair. So go on and do that right now. All right, that's for TikTok. Congratulations for everyone who participated. Let's jump into the Facebook group, 360 Booth Global Family, where everyone's helping each other out. We get individuals in here who are barely starting off to individuals who have done a ton of events, okay? Same thing, guys. Let's go ahead and select the 11th place winner here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got Dulce. Congratulations, Dulce. You are the winner. I'm going to go ahead and write this down right here. You are the winner. Like that. So congratulations, Dulce Ibarra. I will be contacting you on Instagram. Now let's come over to YouTube. All right, same deal. We're going to count 11 spaces down and see who wins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have Build Your Best Ear, who is the winner. I'm going to go ahead and reply right now. You are the winner. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start sending you guys requests for your address so that I can send these lights to you guys. Now, if you guys are interested in having a similar setup, I'm going to go ahead and place the links in the description box below so that you guys can start using this new setup of mine that I think it's really functional. And I swapped to it for many different reasons. And I don't want to make this video too long because I know you guys just came in here to see who won and who didn't. But most importantly, who won. So please like the video. If you guys want me to continue giving stuff out like this, all you got to do, guys, is just like the video. This is the only way you guys can help me out, and I understand. So just do that bare minimum there and hit the like button. And I will see you guys on the next giveaway. Every single month, I'm going to be giving stuff out. We're going through tough times, but I feel like even if I do little things like this, it's going to help someone in a major way. So I hope I've earned your like. Good luck, guys, on your next event. Take care. Peace.